we will be having some basic recapitulation of what we studied. We know that speed is how fast or how slow a body is traveling, how fast or how slow a body is moving. A body moving very fast means high speed, and a body moving very slow means low speed. Now we are dealing with motion in a line, that is motion in a straight line, and that is linear motion. So we are only dealing with motion in a straight line or linear motion. Speed is defined as distance traveled in unit time. Distance in meters or kilometers traveled in unit time, that is 1 second or 1 hour. Speed is distance by time. Speed we calculate as distance divided by time. Units of speed, kilometers per hour. If distance is in kilometers and time is in hours, then kilometers per hour, or meters per second. Distance is in meters and time is in seconds, then meters per second. So the speed unit can be kilometers per hour or meters per second. To convert speed in kilometers per hour, if you multiply by 5 by 18, you will get speed in meters per second, and speed in meters per second, if you multiply by 18 by 5, you will get speed in kilometers per hour. So this is what we have already learned. Now let's proceed further. When two bodies are moving in opposite direction, in the first case, they are moving in opposite direction, approaching each other. And in the second case, they are moving away from each other, but still they are moving in opposite direction. In the first two cases, they are moving in opposite direction, either coming towards each other or moving away from each other, but they are traveling in opposite direction. Then we add the speeds, the sum of the speeds, speed of first body plus the speed of second body. We add the speeds. And if they are moving in the same direction, see picture number 3. If they are moving in the same direction, then we subtract the speeds. That is speed minus speed. So if they are moving in opposite direction, speed plus speed. If they are moving in the same direction, speed minus speed. This is the effective speed. So effective speed of two bodies, add if they are moving in opposite direction as the first two examples, and subtract if they are moving in the same direction as in the third example. Now we will consider a body crossing another body, one moving body crossing another body. Now both of them having length. For instance, a train has length, platform has length, bridge has length, tunnel has length. So if a train in position number 1 crosses the platform and comes to position number 2, train in position number 1 moves across the platform, fully crosses the platform and comes to position number 2. The distance traveled is the sum of the lengths, that is length of the train plus the length of the platform or the bridge or the tunnel. The distance traveled by the train is train length plus platform length, or train length plus bridge length, or train length plus tunnel length. And effective speed will be train speed plus 0. 0 is the platform speed or bridge speed or tunnel speed. The platform is not moving, the tunnel is not moving. So it will be 0, and the train has a speed. So the train speed plus 0, because the platform or the bridge or the tunnel has 0 speed. And if one train crosses another train, then the distance moved will be the sum of the lengths of the two trains, that is total length of two trains. One train is completely crossing another in the same direction or in opposite direction. On the left side same direction, on the right side in opposite direction. But when one train crosses another, the distance moved will be the length of first train plus the length of second train, and the effective speed will be train speed plus or minus train speed. That is, either you can add or you can subtract depending on whether they are moving in the same direction or opposite direction. If they are moving in same direction, you subtract the speeds. If they are moving in opposite direction, then you add the speeds. Right? The total length is always the sum of the lengths. To find the distance moved, do not subtract the length. Always add the length. Always train 1 plus train 2. But effective speed will be either sum of the speeds or difference of the speeds depending on whether they are moving in the same direction or opposite direction. Here on the left side, same direction, subtract. Here in the second picture, opposite direction, so add the speeds. Yeah. Now you can see the screen.
Yes.
So we will continue with that speed. Now, speed of not one person, speed of two persons. Two cyclists. First question. Two cyclists, not one, two. Two moving things. We had one moving thing, now two moving things. Two cyclists start from the same point at the same time. One travels north at 12 km per hour and the other travels south at 18 km per hour. So you have to find how far they will be apart. So one is going north and one is going south. Are they going in same direction or opposite direction? One is traveling north, one is traveling south. Is it same direction or opposite direction?
Opposite direction.
Opposite direction. So they will be separating, going. So same direction, difference. Difference means subtract. Difference, you remember only this much. And opposite direction means
Plus.
plus. Add, that is sum. Sum means add, so that is plus. Okay. So here they are traveling in which direction? One is going north, one is going south. Same or opposite?
Opposite.
One is going north. See this one? And one is going south. So opposite, that means you add. Right? So we call there the speed will be, the two together speed should be 12 plus 18. 12 plus 18, that will be equal to 30 kilometers per hour. 12 kilometers plus, because they are traveling in opposite direction. So here this one we will take. One is going north, one is going south. Opposite direction, take the sum, plus. So it will be 12 plus 18, that is, actually we must be writing the units. 12 plus 18 kilometer per hour, that is 30 kilometer per hour. And time is there 2 hours, this one. Time see, this one is given 2 hours. You can see the red color? 2 hours.
Yes.
So time is given 2 hours. Time is given 2 hours. So what you have to find? How far apart? How far apart means distance. How far apart? There is a question. The question is how far apart? How far apart means it will be a distance. So distance will be what? What is the formula?
Yeah. Distance. Speed. Speed divided by
speed into time. Distance divided by time is speed. So distance will be speed into time. That will be 30 into 2. Check the unit. This kilometer hour and this hour. Okay. And the answer will be in kilometers. That will be 60 kilometers. Kilometer, that will be 60 kilometers. There's a, for two bodies. Okay, clear? This much? This always, whenever there are two bodies, if there is one body, it's okay. Whenever there are two bodies, this part you have to remember. This part you have to remember whenever there are two bodies. Now, next. Aja, read the sum and tell me whether you understand the meaning or not. Okay? A thief is spotted, means seen. A thief is spotted by a policeman. That means one policeman sees the thief. Where is the thief? 200 meter away. Policeman is in one place. Thief is in 200 meters away. Now both are running. Thief is running at 10 km per hour and the policeman is chasing him at 12 km per hour. See, understood the meaning? So tell me, then now, thief and policeman, are they running in same direction or opposite direction? The policeman is chasing the thief, same direction or opposite direction?
Same direction.
Same direction. So what it will be? Minus.
Minus.
Minus. So it will be this one. See the red color? So it will be minus because they are going in the same direction. So the speed, their joint speed will be 12 minus 10. One is 12, one is 10. So 12 minus 10, that will be 2 km per hour. Now there is a problem. This is in meters and this is in kilometers. Kilometers per hour. 2 kilometers per hour, this is in meters. Distance, there is a distance. See the distance. The distance is 200 meters. See this one. Distance is 200 meters. There is a distance, 200 meters. So distance, you can write 200 meters, but the problem is that speed is in kilometer per hour. So distance is 200 meters and speed is in kilometers per hour. So you change it into kilometers. 200 meter will be how many kilometers? 200 meters? 200 meters. How many kilometers?
2. No.
200 divided by 1000, 2 by 10, 0.2. 200 divided by 1000. So 2 zeros will cancel. So you get 2 by 10. 2 by 10. So that will be 200 meters. You divide by 1000. So 2 zeros will cancel. These 2 zeros will cancel. And these 2 zeros will cancel. So what you will get? 2 by 10. So 2 by 10 means 0.2. And 1 by 5, that is 2.2. 0.2. 2 by 10 means 0.2. 1 by 5, that is 0.2. Not 5. It is not 10 by 2. It is 2 by 10. 2 by 10 will be 1 by 5. That is 0.2. Okay? 2 by 10, not 10 by 2. 10 by 2 is 5. 2 by 10. 2 by 10 and 10 by 2 are not same thing. 10 by 2 will give you 5. 2 by 10 will not give you 5. It will give you 1 by 5. 1 by 5 or 0.2. Okay? This part is okay?
Okay.
So, now what you have to find? Time. How long? You have to find the time. How long? How long, of course, can mean distance, but in this case, it means the time. how much time? So time will be what? Formula? Time will be equal to
And speed
hmm?
divided it's distance.
Distance divided by speed.
Distance.
Distance divided by speed. Hmm. So that will be equal to, you got
0.2
0.2 divided
divided by
by 2. How much it will be? 0.2 divided by 2? 0.1. 0.1 into 2 will be 0.2. 0.1 hours. There is an hours. There is not an because all the kilometer per hour, it is in hours. So 0.1 hours. How will you change? 0.1 into 60 minutes. 60 minutes. So 0.1 into 60 will be 6 minutes, right? 60 into 0.1, that will be 60, then 1 decimal, 6.0, that is 6 minutes. Say, okay, this part?
okay.
Now here we have got a train. Train, there's a problem. Problem is that cycle and policeman and thief, they are point objects. Point objects means only they will be at one point. They will be only at one point. But train is a long thing. These are long things. Cyclist is one person at a place. Policeman is one man at a place. One tree. Tree is a one thing at one place. These are point objects. But here we have got train. Train, then platform, platform, then bridge, then tunnel. These are long things. They have a length. The policeman standing at one place, that is a point object, no length. A pole, a post, a man, these are zero length. Train, platform, bridge, they have length. They are objects with length. They have length. So you have to add the length if two such long things are given. If one train is given and one man, then it's okay. Supposing one train plus one man. Then you will say train length plus 0. Train length plus 0. This also you will say train length plus 0 because the pole or post is 0. Train length plus 0. There is the distance we are talking about. But if you are given one train plus one train, length, train length plus train length, that means first train plus second train. Then you will have train length plus platform length. Platform length is not 0. Train length plus platform length. Similarly, if you have a tunnel or bridge, you have one train plus one tunnel or bridge or something like that. So that is not 0. So you will have train length plus tunnel or bridge length. So only if it is a man or a pole or a point or a cycle, then you take it as 0.
Yes.
So if it is one train plus one train, it is train length. Man is 0. Man or cycle is 0. One train plus one pole, then pole is 0. Train length, pole is 0. If it is two trains, one train plus one train, then train length plus train length. The first train will have length, the second train will have length. If it is train and platform, the platform has length. So train length plus platform length. If it is one train and one tunnel, then a train has length, tunnel has length. This is okay? This part?
Okay.
Okay. So now we are having what we are having? Two trains. In this case, see, we are having two trains. So we will add the lengths of the two trains. What we have is two trains, right? So both the trains have lengths. So total length of two trains will be 120 meter plus 80 meter, that will be equal to 200 meters. This part is okay? 120 meters, first train. Yeah, 120 meters. I am marking all this. 120 meters and 80 meters. 80 meters. 80 meters. 120 meter and 120 meters and 80 meters, total 200 meters, total length of two trains. Now, are they going in opposite direction or same direction? Same direction or opposite direction?
Opposite.
Opposite direction. See this one. So opposite direction means plus or minus?
Opposite plus.
Opposite plus. So the speed will be 40 plus 50, 40 plus 50 in kilometers per hour. This is in kilometers per hour. 40 plus 50 kilometers per hour. That will be, how will you change to meters per second? 40 plus 50, how much? 90. How will you change to meters per second? Into?
Second. Into 18. No.
5 by 18.
5 by 18.
5 by 18. This will be meters per second. Kata beta? 18 into 590. 18 into 590. 5 into 5, 25. 25 meters per second. So you got the length. You got the so distance is 200 meters and speed is joint speed actually. Speed is 25 meters per second. So you need the time. Time will be what? Time will be?
Distance
divided by speed. That is equal to 200
divided by 25.
25 seconds. Because meter, it is in seconds. Time will be in seconds. 200 divided by 25 seconds. How much is that? 8 seconds. That is 8 seconds. Got it? 8 seconds.
Okay.
8 seconds you are getting. Other than Saturday and Sunday, one more day because it's summer vacation. Any day, Wednesday, Thursday, any day you tell me. One day you tell me that we'll do percentage. So this one. Ajay, how do you remember the formula? This one. This formula, I'll tell you one shortcut. You arrange it like this in a triangle, right? You will be writing D. The top will be distance. The top will be distance. Okay, or the top will be distance, okay, and this will be
speed,
speed, and this will be time.
time,
So when you take the formula, if you take one on top and one at bottom, it will be division. And if you take in the same level, the same line, it will be multiplication. So if you are taking these two, distance and time, or distance and speed, one top, one bottom, one is on the top, one is at the bottom, then you say division, because it will be division, because one is on the top, distance is at the top, speed is at the bottom, so it will be distance by speed, and that will be equal to the third thing, time. Similarly, if you take distance and time, one top, one bottom, one is at the top distance, one is at the bottom, then also it will be division. Distance by time equal to the third thing, that will be speed. If you take speed and time, not top and bottom, same line, distance and speed, top and bottom, distance and time, top and bottom, speed and time are in same line. Same line means multiplication. So speed into time, speed into time, we'll write in the next line, speed into time, then that will be equal to the third thing, that is distance, whatever it is. So arrange like this, it is in alphabetical order. See, A, B, C, D. D comes first, top, then after D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, then P, Q, R, S, then S will come, and last T will come. If you write alphabet A, B, C, D, E, F, G, first D will come, then S will come, P, Q, R, S, then T. So it is actually in alphabetical order. So if you arrange in alphabetical order, top and bottom if you are taking divide, and if you are taking the two things on the same line, multiply. So whenever you take things in the same line, speed and time, multiply. Distance and speed, one top, one bottom, divide. Distance and time, one top, one bottom, divide. Speed and time, same line, multiply. Got it?
got it.
So if I can, even I can draw this one, supposing this one. So there is actually division. Distance divided by speed, distance divided by time, and this is multiplication. This will be multiplication. This will be multiplication. This will be multiplication. So if you are in the same line multiplication, top and bottom, see the horizontal line, fraction, distance, this line, fraction, distance by speed, this fraction, distance by time, and this two multiplication. So this will help you to remember the formula. Okay?
Okay.
If a cyclist, sorry, not a car, if a cyclist maintains a speed of 20 meters per second, what is his speed in kilometer per hour? What is his speed in kilometer per hour? Tell me what I will do. What is his speed?
20
Hmm.
into
Hmm.
হচ্ছে 18 by
5,
18 এর
5.
5
Okay. Then how much it will be? 5 will go 4 times. 5 4s are 20. So 4 into that will be 72. This will be 72. 72 kilometer per hour. 72 kilometer per hour. Now, second one. A runner completes a a 10-kilometer race and 10-kilometer race in 40 minutes. What is his distance? What is his speed? Sorry. What is his speed in kilometer per hour? Okay, tell me. What do you do?
for
Kilometer per hour. So kilometer is okay. Change into hours. Kilometer is okay. 10 kilometer. Kilometer is okay. Hour. So change this into hours. So 40 minutes will be how much? How many hours?
40 minutes
40 by 60. Right? 40 by 60 hours. Okay, তাই তো? 40 minutes will be how many hours? 40 by 60?
20
40 by 60, 20.
no, no.
2 by 3, 0, 0 cancels, 4 by 6. So 2 2s are 4, 2s are. There is so many hours. So now you are going to find the speed. Speed equal to distance by time. That will be equal to 10 kilometer divided by 2 by 3. Divided by 2 by 3 means into 3 by 2. 10 kilometer division 2 by 3. So division 2 by 3 means into 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Yeah. That will be
50
kilometer per hour. That will be equal to 15 kilometer per hour. Kimi na kilometer. Don't say kilometer. 15 kilometer per hour. Oh, sorry, per hour. 15 kilometers per hour. Car travels 150 kilometers in 2 hours and then 100 kilometers in 1 hour. What is its average speed? What is its average speed? Tell me. Part by part, make out the time. 150 kilometers into, take the, no, you don't have to, time is given, distance given. What is the total distance? Total distance.
150 kimi plus 100 kimi.
Kimi na kilometer. Don't say kimi.
Kilometer.
150 plus 100 kilometers. 250 kilometers. Okay.
Kilometer আর
250 kilometers. Total time, not time. Total time. Total time
3 hours.
Yeah, 2 plus 1. আলাদা করে দেখাতে হবে. 2 plus 1 hour, that is equal to 3 hours. Now you can say average speed. Average speed is
Distance divided by
Yeah.
time.
Total distance divided by total time. 250 kilometers divided by 3 hours. That will give you 250 kilometers divided by, it will give you 3 8s are 24, 110, 3 3s are 10.33. 0.33 kilometer per hour. A train leaves a station at 60 kilometers per hour and travels for 3 hours. Find the distance. Find the distance traveled. So what formula? You have got speed, you have got time. You have to find distance. So distance equal to?
Distance equal to speed into time.
Speed into time. That will be, distance will be equal to 60
kilometer per hour.
Kilometer.
Kilometer
into
per
3
hour.
Per hour into 3 hours. That will be, this will be kilometers. Finally, kilometers. 180 kilometers. A train travels at a speed of 150 kilometers per hour. 150 kilometers per hour and reaches its destination, final point. Final point in 2.5 hours. It returns to the starting point in 3.5 hours. Find the average speed. Find the average speed. Okay. So first, now distance is not given. You have to find a distance. So while going, speed is so much and time is this much. So how will you find the distance? Distance formula?
Distance, speed into time.
Speed into time. That means 150 kilometers per hour into 2.5. That means how many kilometers it will give you? 3. That will be equal to, so many kilometers equal to 25 into 15, 250 and 125, 375. 150, so 0 I can cancel, 2.5 I'll make it 25. So 25 into 15, 15 into 2, 2300, 15 into 5, 75, 375. There is a distance. So the total distance is 375 going and 375 returning. Going 375 and coming back the same distance. Come back the same distance, 375. That means equal to 750 kilometer. See, up to this okay?
Yes.
Why 375 plus 375? Going 375
Total.
And coming back 375. So total. Now total time. Total time. What is the total time?
Total time
2.5 hours.
2.5 hours plus 3.5 hours.
3. So how much it will give you?
5 point.
Not 5 point. It will give you 6.0.
6
2.5. Yeah, 6.0. That is 6 actually. 6 hours. 6.06. Now you can find average speed as total distance by total time. Total distance 750 divided by total time 6.
6.
So this will be kilometers per hour. 750 kilometers divided by 6 hours. So kilometers per hour. That will be 6 ones are 6, 15, 6 twos are 12, 3 3 6 fives are. Divide and see, you will get 125 kilometers per hour. Divide by 6. 6 ones are 6, 7 minus 6, 1. Then bring down 5, 15, 6 twos are 12, 15 minus 12, 3, then 0, 30, 6 fives are 30. So you'll get 125 kilometers as the average speed. It's okay.
Okay.
What is the average speed? What is the average speed if a body, average, no? Average speed if a body travels 100 kilometers in 2 hours and 50 kilometers in 1 hour. The body is traveling 200 kilometers in 2 hours and 50 kilometers in 1 hour.
Total.
Total distance by total time.
Total distance 100 km plus.
Abar km.
A kilometer.
Total will be how much? What is the total distance?
150.
100 plus 50 kilometers.
150 kilometers per hour.
150 kilometers. Na paravanna. It was only distance. That is 150 kilometers. Paravanni. There is only distance, not speed. And total time would be 2 hours plus 1 hour. 2 hours plus 1 hour. That will be 3 hours. So speed will be average speed. Average speed will be total distance divided by total time.
3 hours.
So 150 divided by 3, 50 kilometers per hour.
50 kilometers per hour.
Okay?
Okay.
So I'm sending you the other, that 3 questions, do it. These 3 questions you do it. And next, when you are doing the class, you tell me.
Okay.